JustCyn. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, go ahead and click the subscribe button and leave me a thumbs up. So today's video is going to be a day in the life of an entrepreneur. You guys seem to actually like these videos, so I decided that I wanted to keep on with this series. So I think this is like the 4th or 5th one. Don't quote me. But today I am running really low on inventory, and I wanted to bring you guys on this journey and show you guys that entrepreneur is not easy. Being an entrepreneur is not easy, so I wanted to go ahead and bring you guys on board and show you guys a little bit of the day in and the day out of my business. So let's go pick up inventory.
As soon as you came bouncing through the door, you and your mans and members took over the floor. Started doing your thing, and it made me notice you even more.
Hello.
Shut up. Really?
Oh, I know.
Hey. Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I remember
Yeah,
you.
yeah.
Hi, how
Yeah.
are you?
How are you guys? Good.
You look tired.
No, girl, no, I just don't have makeup on.
Really?
Yes.
I'm tired then. Maybe it is me.
I mean, I'm always tired. So.
Right. Oh my goodness. What did I come here for again? Oh, did I have a bags in here?
Gotta leave it right there. No, you gotta leave it. One is always up there. I have one from home because I bought a new one. So I'll bring mine. It doesn't matter. Don't worry about it. And did you need some help? Okay.
The box.
Hold on. I bought a new one at Home Depot Sunday. So, or whatever. So I'll bring my old one. It's all messed up. I've had it for a couple years. Here you are, ma'am.
Oh, thank you. I was actually looking for a box so I can get the candles.
Okay, just an empty box?
Yes. Thank you so much.
Okay. If anybody needs help, ma'am, would you like the carts? You don't have to lift those. I sell the gender candle, you know, on its own. So, you said money going. I'm not sure about when we're going to get more. I actually asked for, because we had just done an order, we don't know, so it may be because she wanted to know when you were going to get the ambulance over track. Yeah. on that, ma'am. You know, because we have to get things on the car. Oh, no, you're kidding. Yeah. Why didn't you call us? You know my Uncle Naughty. I know your dad.
Okay guys, so I had to get paper to create my planners. So this is the paper that I use to create my planners. So you know guys, I make my planners from home. So I get them from Staples. And this is the paper that I use to make my planners. So since I'm not making my planners at Staples anymore, like they're not physically doing them for me, I'm doing them now. Just to have some sort of quality control with my planners. So I brought 3 stocks. They come with 500 sheets. I was gonna get like a big box of these things, but I'm waiting for them to go on sale, you know. So these are the planners. I'm going to bring them inside so I can start doing them, because I do have an event coming up where I will be doing Reiki and also selling some of my products at the event. So I need to go ahead and put these inside so I can start making planners for that event. Okay guys, so I'm just getting home. And these are some of the items I need to restock. So I ran out of my smudge kit set that I saw on my website. So that box is here. And then I ran out of actual thank you cards that I usually put inside like my packages. So this is from Vistaprint. So I'll show you guys what I got. So this is the smudge kits that I saw on my website. So these are the feathers that are coming in the smudge kits. These are pretty big, so I'm probably gonna have to put them. I brought some smudge sticks to put in them. I actually make them by like hand, like I physically assemble them. So I'm praying that none of the abalone shells are broken, because last time they sent them to me, they were broken. So I'm gonna count them and see that they're not broken, because if they are, I'm going to have to contact the company and they're going to have to reimburse me. So I want to make sure that all of the abalone shells are not broken, because I had an incident one time that they were broken. But let's see. Okay, cool. None of them are broken. Thank you, Jesus. Okay, and then I'm going to show you guys the wooden Cobra tripod that come with it. So let's see if I can do this with one hand. Yes. So these are the Cobra, or the stands that come with my kit as well. So I assembled these myself and then I shipped them to you guys. So I just finally restocked because I had sold out. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So this is from Vistaprint. These are my thank you cards that I usually place inside of all of my packages. So I'm going to show you guys what they look like. I'm just going to pull out one. I'm going to pull out a lot because it's about maybe 250 of these. There was a sale, so I decided to just really stock up on them. So this is my thank you cards. They just have the logo on there, and then it has the thank you cards, and it has my social media handle, and it has also my website. So this is what they look like. So guys, I got some new things in the mail. So I got new boxes because I ran out of boxes. So I ordered some off of Packlane. So these are some of the boxes, and these are how it came out. So I'm super excited about that because I need new boxes. I ran out. Packlane is a little bit pricey, but I like the quality of their work. So I guess I'll just have to suffer in silence. I need new stickers as well. These are the stickers I got. I got them off of Vistaprint. I usually wait till Vistaprint has a sale because they can get a little pricey as well. I'm also thinking about printing out these stickers at my home because I do have a printer right here. So I'm thinking about maybe printing them from home instead of actually buying them from Vistaprint because, like I said, it gets really pricey. I didn't need to get some Avery labels because I do need to make some more stickers for my candles. Now, I ended up getting not the matte finish. I ended up getting some sort of semi-gloss because I did not like how the matte I did not like how the matte was looking, so I ended up getting some sort of semi-gloss, and I can't wait to see how it looks when it's printed out. So cross my fingers on that. And then I needed new vials for my love oil and my money oil. So I ended up buying 4 boxes because I do run out of these very quickly. Like, this is like one of my top sellers in my store. So I ended up getting these 1 ounce vials. I got 4 boxes of the 1 ounce vials, and then I got 3 boxes of the 2 ounce vials. These come with 12, so each box comes with 12, and hopefully I don't run out as quickly. I mean, no promises, right? I mean, I do want to sell, but these are not that pricey. Sorry if you guys can hear my birds. These are not too pricey, but Amazon comes through. Like, they always come through. So these are the things that I got, and I'll show you guys. I'm actually packing orders now, so I'll actually show you guys a little bit of a clip of me packing orders, or just some of the packages that need to go out today. So yes. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you won't know the significance of this red wagon. So be sure to follow me on Instagram. This red wagon is basically how I transport all of my packages. I actually have 2 because sometimes I get a lot of orders, so I have 2 red wagons. So this is one of 2. I'll show you a clip of how it looks when I have all of my packages in it, but this is the red wagon that I use.